Hey guys, we're gonna come color Amino. Okay, let's color Amino. Let's see what Amino said we did.
So when you're playing, I'm gonna say, "Give me the phone," to see how long it is. Okay.
Okay. We're gonna draw something. Okay, what should we draw? These are all my drawings I draw. I'm gonna restart one. Let's restart the baby. No, let's do the kitten. Kitten. Okay, guys, watch me do a cat. A baby kitten. Let's draw. Ba. Do. Wait. Okay. Let's color. Okay, get ready. We're coloring up. Okay, we have to do the baby.
Let's draw a cute kitty cat.
Color.
First, draw the head.
Okay, guys. Now there's back. Okay. I did it. Now I had to wait. Just wait.
That's
Okay,
it.
there, and then we do the nose.
Draw a little button nose.
Did the nose.
So the kitty can meow.
Now we're gonna do it. Just wait. Oh my.
Very good.
Make some
Now,
ears.
draw little triangles for ears.
I'm gonna make some ears. Just wait.
Amazing. Put
Rainbow
a bright
bow.
ribbon on your kitty cat.
Did the bow.
Your cat looks so beautiful.
Now we're gonna do the body.
And now,
Do the body now.
cat's body.
Okay, we're gonna do brown for the body. Color it in. Yeah. Okay, now pause. Now it's done, guys. The kitten needs a tail first.
Wow.
I don't know, I guess.
Wonderful.
We're done. Bye.